Okay, what is rain position in your area?
Sir, I think that was before 30 and 20 minutes and then stopped and never again.
Okay, and the light is stable.
No, sir. Light was off. Now then come back again before a 5 and 10 minutes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
still three people want to come. Okay, today we have a topic with us, and after discussion with that topic, I have one assignment for you people. Now, the topic is very much easy for those who know very little about the English, but the topic is new for others who don't know English or to who don't write every day. The topic is related with your week number 12, and the name of topic is the connective. Connective are joining words or connective words. I think many of you know that about these connective words. We always use some words that connect two or more than two ideas with each other in paragraphs and in sentences. So there's a variety of those type of words, but we use only two or three words. For example, we mostly use the word and, A-N-D, and. Uh, and sometimes we use the word but there are many other words which we ignore or we don't know them or we don't know how to use them. So today's lecture in previous session was also same, that what are those words and how we can use them in our sentences, in our language, and when we write, that how properly, how skillfully we should use them in our writing. So there are 10 group of those type of words. Those type of words are classified, as I said, in 10 groups. Now, the one group is the group of the words which we use when we add some ideas. For the addition of some ideas, we use first group, and the words in that group are the main word which we always use, that is and, A-N-D, and. Okay, I went to bazaar and purchased uh, some fruits. Now this word and, what is the function of that and? It is joining two thoughts. I went to the bazaar and purchased some fruit. Okay. ये किसकी आवाज आ रही है? अनम्यूट कर लें. Okay. The next word is also. Also. He came to me and he bring with him fruits also. So the word also connects the things. He came and also he brought some fruits for me. In the same way, in that category, there are some other words like besides, further, furthermore, to, moreover. Okay. He said me three words. Moreover, he also emphasized on those words also. So moreover is also used in the words to say something additional, to add something in previous idea. Okay, other word is in addition to. Okay, he gave me 100 rupees, and in addition to them, he also gave me 50 more rupees for my, I think, traveling expenses. So in this way, we use the word in addition. Then there is word then. Mostly we use the word then also. So it is also used to add some ideas of equal importance, equally important, or other. So have you got the first group? Have you any question from that? Hello?
Ye-
Anyone?
Yes, sir. So what's this?
Yeah,
Sorry,
I
sir.
am asking you that have you got the point? The first
Yes, sir.
group
I
of
got a
words.
point.
Okay. Now coming on the second group.
Yeah.
The second group relate to the some period of time or time. So this is also very important that many a time we use time in our speech or in our writing. So how we can connect the words when we use time? The words we use many a time, that word is next. Next. Now the next has different meanings and it is used differently in English. He lives next to me. That is another thing. That is another thing. But when we will say that he will come to me next time, or he said to me that he will come next time, so it is showing the time. So for the time we use what word? Which word? That word is a next. Many a times we used finally. Finally, he concluded that Islam was a good boy. So finally, we use in a period of time. Then later, last, lastly, at last, now, subsequently, then, or when, soon, thereafter, after a short time, the next week, a minute later, in the meantime, meanwhile, or the following day, at length, ultimately, or presently. All these words are used for the time, and when we have to mention time in a sentence, we can use these words according to the relevance of the thought. So these are the, I think, many words for you people. If you understand these words, you use daily these words in your life and get experience of writing with these words. The third group is order or sequence. So many a time we need sequence in writing.
Excuse me, sir.
Ji.
Sir, can you repeat second group again?
Okay. Second group is related with the time. So many time we are in need to mention the time. Time of some event which we want to say. Firstly, I went to my sister's home, then I went to somewhere else. Or we can say, finally, we decided that we will take the class. So we use that type of words in the time group of words. Okay, it's clear now?
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, coming on the next order or sequence we have discussed, there is space and place. Many a time we use mention space or place in our sentences. So what words should be used when we use space or place. So there are words above, okay, and behind,
Yes, sir.
behind, below, beyond, here. Mostly we use word here, okay, come here,
Yes, sir.
okay, and there, to the right or to the left, means sit at the left side or go to the right, nearby, opposite, on the other side, in the background, directly, ahead, along the wall, as you turn right, at the top, across the hall, at this point, or at center. So these are the some words, but there may be others also. So we are not limited in at this list. You can find many other words also, because English language is very wide language. We have many other words also for mentioning these things. But for your understanding, I have just selected this piece, and I am telling you from that piece that these words are suitable or commonly used in the writing as well as in the speaking. Okay, the next group is to signal an example. Means we most of time we say, for example, to illustrate, for instance, to be specific, such as, moreover, furthermore, just as important, similarly, in the same way. So when we say something, it is practice of almost all languages that we give some examples also. So sometimes simply we write, say, some students are very good, for example, A, B, C, D. Okay. Sometimes we write for instance. Sometimes we write such as. Okay, there were some students who were late in the classroom, such as number A, number B, number C. Okay, sometimes we use word moreover. Okay, he was a good boy. Moreover, he was intelligent also. Okay, furthermore, just as important, similarly, many times we use the word similarly in our speech and in our writing. Similarly, Aslam was also very good. Okay, sometimes we use the word in the same way. Okay, many words we use when we write some results. Okay, when we want to say about the result of anything. So first word which we commonly use, we write as a result, or hence, or so, or accordingly, or as a consequence, or consequently, or thus. Mostly we also use the word thus, or since, or therefore, or for his reason, or because of this, we use these words. Okay. The next group is the words which show some purpose, and they are to this end, for this purpose, with this in mind, or for this reason. Okay. The next group is where we compare something. Now, compare, many a time we compare one thing with the other, or we compare one idea with the other. So we use mostly the word like. Okay. Aslam is also good boy, like his brother. So we are comparing here between Aslam and his brother. This bus is more, we can say, when buses come, they are new. This bus is also new, like other buses that are standing at the bus stop. We will also use in the same manner. Aslam also or Fahim also behaved in the same manner. So we compare between two persons. As so or similarly are also used. So this was the comparison group, and in the same way there is the contrast group. So these words we can say that the contrast connective. Now what should be the contrast connective? The main thing is but. Mostly we use the word but in everyday life in writing, but so something different from previous thought. The meal, or we can say the breakfast, was very delicious, but it was served late. So we were saying a good point that breakfast was good, but in the saying there was something different in that thought, and I think that was inverse, and that was in contrast with the good point. So when there is a good point and there is a bad point, we use the word but. There is a contrast or disagreement between two thoughts, then we will use the word but. Okay, in the same way, in the contrast is also used, conversely is also used, however, is also used. The breakfast was very good, however, it came late. Nevertheless, nonetheless, yet, and yet. On the other hand, there are some others also which we use in this group of words which show the contrast. And the finally, number 10th group of words or connective is that which summarize something. When we summarize some report, when we summarize some thought, when we summarize some article, we write in a way the first word which we use or the common word we use in summary, to sum up, to report briefly. Many a time we use word briefly. That briefly it was stated in this report that Mr. A was guilty. In this way, in short, we can say in short, it can be said that he was not a good person. Finally, mostly we use the word finally. On the whole, it's my opinion that class was good. Therefore, as I have said, in conclusion, or as you can see, these words we use when we finalize at the end. Means खबरनामे के end में जो खास खबरें होती हैं, उनके लिए we use these type of words. Maybe finally, in conclusion, in the last. So these words are very much, I think, important to know when we write. If we want to be a good writer, we have to use some of these words in our sentences, in our paragraphs, in our essays. So that variety of words will give us good sense, good style, and a beautiful language. So today's topic was related to these connective words. Hopefully all of you have heard them, all of you have understood them. Now you have to keep this one thing in your mind. A language is art, language is not science, and language is always learned through practice. So until or unless you will not practice these words, you will forget them. For same purpose, I have also developed an assignment for you people. Every one of you will choose a group and will write at least 20 sentences by using these words into those sentences. Now, in previous session, there were, I think, 10 or 12 students. We had bifurcated the topics and groups. Now I am sharing your screen, one screen, and you will be able to see these 10 groups. Yeah.
Sir, how can make you a group? So tell me again.
Oh, okay, I'm telling you. Now, first of all, see, these are the 10 groups. Number 1 is addition of idea. Number 2, time. Number 3, order of sequence. Number 4, space and place. Okay, there are 10 classification of words. Can you see
Yes,
these?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we have decided that from roll number 1 to 5 will use first group, addition of
Yes.
ideas. In the same way, from 6 to
Yes.
10, second group, from 11 to 15, third group, and 16 to 24th group in the same way up to 50. And those who are from 51 to 55, they will again use the first group, and those who are above 55 will use the second group again. In this way, all of your numbers will be given the group. Any question?
Sir,
It
we have to
means
make
my
we have to make a 20 questions, sir.
20 questions. Yeah. I think this is short
Yes,
assignment.
yes.
You can do in half an hour.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to upload it or not in LMS?
Yeah, on our LMS. Inshallah, I will open the week number 12 for you tomorrow, and you have to upload there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks very much.
So this was the topic today, and there are 8
Yes.
participants today. There are night electricity issue, rain issue. That's why many of your classmates are unable to attend today's lecture. So what you will do, you will do that your PR is asked to write all these things on at the group. That all students who were not present here, they will be able to see that what we have decided. And I will try my best to upload this lecture at LMS, that those students who are not present here, they will be able to see that lecture. Anything else?
Yes, sir. No, sir, tomorrow you will discuss or not about this topic?
No, now we will not now discuss now, but now you will write your assignment. Tomorrow, if there will be class, we will discuss at any other topic.
Yes, sir. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Sir,
Mhm.
sir, first we defined our category or just write on 28
No,
sentences.
there is no need of defining the category, but we have a need of practice. When you will
Okay, sir.
write on the category of those words, then it will be easy for you to use these words in your daily life. And not only you have to write assignment, but you have to use these words in your daily life, and you have to write your written assignments also.
Okay, sir.
Your GR has just arrived. You are late, I think. Just a minute. Hello? Alaikum. Hello?
Assalamu alaikum,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir, we are listening.
You are late. I think very much late. Okay, we have completed our lecture.
सर अभी अभी लाइट आई है, हमने चेक किया है तो देखा है क्या आपका मैसेज वगैरह आया हुआ था। अब हम लेट हो गए बहुत ज्यादा। सॉरी सर।
Now, second time lecture has been completed. So now your classmates will tell you what we have discussed here and what are the instructions for the assignment. So you will take the group. The group members will tell you what happened. Now I also in summing up, I will tell you that we have discussed the same group of words which we use as connective in our language, written and oral language. Mostly we use these words in our written language. So you will see that Philip HTML, and you will see also the notes which I will upload there. And I have also given assignments from those 10 categories of the words which we have discussed now. Everyone will write assignments of 10 sentences from their group. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
No,
We got a point.
Abhinav, have you got?
Sir, you're not your voice
Yes,
not
sir.
My
clear.
voice is not clear. Okay, now it's coming. Now it's clear. Hello.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So anything to ask?
Sir, no, sir. We got along.
Sir, what's
We
the
got
last
notice.
date of submission
What?
of assignment?
I think within 2 days you have
La-
to submit. This is very much easy. This is task of 10 or 15 minutes. You can do that easily.
Yes, sir.
Shafiq
Sir,
can
2
do.
days.
Shafiq can do easily. I know, but others will feel some difficulty also. That's why 2 days are, I think. 2 days are
Thank you, sir.
enough. Govind, what's your point?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
Govind,
sir. I
are
will
you
do. Yes, sir. I am listening you, sir.
okay?
Hearing you.
And what about Shakila?
यस सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन सर जो यूजिंग जो कनेक्टिव वर्ड्स हैं तो हमें उनमें से हर एक वर्ड्स के 20 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं या फिर एक ही वर्ड्स
नहीं, हर एक के नहीं, कोई भी उस ग्रुप से आप 20 बनाएंगे और उनमें से कोशिश करेंगे कि हर सेंटेंस में वो एक एक वर्ड या दो वर्ड यूज हो जाए, सबके नहीं बनाने।
ओके सर
Okay, you have totally prepared 20 sentences.
ओके सर थैंक यू
Okay, then should we say goodbye?
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Okay, sir.
sir. Take care of yourself.
Allah
Take
Hafiz,
yourself.
sir.